to my channel. It is Nello here as always. So you guys, last month I believe, yes, I put out, oh yeah, last month, almost 2 months ago, I put out a video telling you guys how much YouTube paid me for my viral videos. So I have a video that has over 1.5 million views, and I broke it down for you guys, telling you guys how much YouTube paid me for that video. So today I'm going to share with you guys how much I made from the video. Okay, basically how much I made from that video, telling you guys how much YouTube paid me. I feel like I've lost you people, but anyways, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Yes, so guys, the inspiration to do this video is actually Tayo Aina. He's a Nigerian based YouTuber that stays in Lagos. So he made a video telling people like how much his own video made him. So I just got inspiration from that video to actually come and break it down for you guys, because that video was actually quite popular. I got a lot of subscribers from there. I got a lot of comments, people trying to understand this whole YouTube money better. I'm going to try not to waste your time in today's video, because I believe that like the video I made previously, like how much YouTube paid me for 1.5 million viewed video here on YouTube, I broke it down a lot more. Like I tried my best to break it down why that video made that kind of money. So today I'm just going to quickly show you guys. So as you can see, this is the video here, and that video has 144,000 views and it got 830 comments. And yes, I'm going to go ahead and click on the analytics so that we'll just go through it together. So yeah, here you guys can see the impression. This video was suggested to 3.4 million people. So for some people that think that, oh, YouTube don't suggest my video, oh no, they do, just that people don't click on it. Okay, and out of that 3.4 million, 144,000 people actually watched the video. Traffic source, browse features, people actually searching for this kind of video, 57%. Wow, that's a lot of people searching for this kind of video. And then suggested video, 34%, and then other YouTube features and every other thing made up the rest. Then on WhatsApp, you can see that 29% of my traffic from social media came from WhatsApp, then Facebook, then Instagram, then Google search, and YouTube. So yes, this just breaks it down. Then this part is another interesting part. So the total proportion of my traffic, 34% came from recommendations. Okay, so these were the videos that they were recommending this video after. This is how much YouTube paid me for a video with 1 million views. I believe this might be Tayo's video. I want to believe, because I watched his video, and when it came to this part, my video was the second one. So it was recommended to people after they watched my own video. That's actually an inspiration why I'm making this video. So now you guys can see that I also got recommendations. Like they also recommended people to watch my video. They also recommended my video to people after watching his video. So we kind of helped each other out there, I believe, without even knowing, because I think he put out his video like 2 weeks after mine or a week after mine. So it was just like perfect timing. Then it also got recommended after this video I did of my mother-in-law, which also did really well. Then all the other videos that I made around that time. Then this is another person's video showing you how much I made 3.5 million as a full-time YouTuber. Yeah, this is another person's video. So basically, yes, a whooping 34% of my traffic was from recommendations, which is a lot. Anyways, let's just go on to the fun part. Like I said, I don't want to waste you guys' time so much. If I go to the revenue, and you guys can see that the CPM for this video was $6.17, which is actually not bad. That means $6 per 1,000 views. Okay, that was the CPM. Estimated monetized playback, even though this video has 144,000 views, estimated monetized playback was just 105,000 views. Okay, and in total I have made $361.65 from this video. So this video with 144,000 views made me $361.65. okay, so if you do your math real quick, with the current exchange rate in naira, that's about 150k, I believe. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it's about 150,000 naira from one video. I really cannot complain, and I actually had a really good month that month, because a few of my videos got over 100,000 views. But yes, this is how much this video made me, and there's so many factors that contributed to this. On the first day I put it out, I made about $24, then $39. The next day it got up to $39, $44, $47. It was moving slowly, and then boom, it started moving. It just kept going. And the thing about this video is that this video didn't get the bulk amount of views immediately I posted it. No, I posted this video and it was about 3 weeks after I posted it, or maybe 2-3 weeks after I posted it, that it started actually getting a lot more views. So that's why sometimes don't give up. If you post video and it's not doing well, hey, you just leave it to God, and maybe the video will actually end up doing well. So this was one of those videos. I have like 2 or 3 videos that behaved like that 2 months ago on my channel. They started out really slow and ended up with 200,000 views, 190,000 views, 144,000 views. So yeah, that's it with this video. Very quick, very simple, very straight to the point. Just trying to let you guys know. Yes, I know a lot of you enjoy this whole YouTube money talk. You guys, the thing about this kind of video is that sometimes I have videos with like 20k views or 30k views, and I can still make the same amount of money. And then sometimes I have videos with 500,000 views and I don't even make this amount of money. So it just depends on how many ads you have in your video, how much people watch, how long people stay in the video, because the longer they stay in the video, the more ads they watch and all that good stuff. Anyways, I don't want to ramble. I believe I've even rambled too much. That's it for this video. Hope you guys are all doing fine and staying safe, and I'll go on and see you guys in my next one. Okay,